Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, Michigan, here to show you how to drain a sump pump hull down dry while you're working on it. We need to put a sump pit out in my yard. First, we need to get all the water out of it so that we can work here. So there's two things I have. I have a non-switched utility pump that sucks from the bottom, and I have a cut-to-size furnace filter. I've used this in prior videos where I've wrapped this around pickle buckets with holes in them to help filter the dirt out. We're going to use it today just quickly. We'll put it down in the water. We can put the pump right on the filter, and we should be able to suck this hull pretty much dry without ruining my pump. Okay, one thing about utility pumps, they don't have a float in them, so you want to make sure you don't leave them plugged in. And the second thing is, you don't want to suck up too much mud. So look what a great job this filter. I clean it out with a hose, it's good to go again. See how quickly I got my hole exposed. We can take and build this into a sump pit, and we got rid of all the residual water that's killing us. Get yourself a cut-to-size furnace filter, $6, utility pump, and you can just set it right on the ground, pump something pretty much dry to the bone. Quick tip, MrHardware.com.